Life doesn't warn you before it hits you hardest. It doesn't tap you on the shoulder and say, ha, get ready. Huh? Something painful is coming. Someone on this. No, life throws you into the fire, suddenly, violently, without mercy, and then watches to see whether you burn or become something stronger, sharper, unbreakable. There are days you wake up with a weight in your chest, days where even standing feels like climbing a mountain, nights when the silence gets so loud it screams, moments when you start questioning everything. Given your purpose, your value, your strength. But listen carefully. It's somewhere between the breaking and the rebuilding that your real transformation begins. Marcus Aurelius once said, "What stands in the way becomes the way, Naingwar Samal kind." And Yunaikusenia Widozer and Rurs in the Sfreyuatio. Your awesome Euskwersidation moments don't destroy you at Durkur Witkanf. They reveal who you're meant to become. The moments. No one sees people, only see your results. They never see the nights you cried quietly. They never see the battles you fought alone. They don't see how many times you almost gave up. The truth is simple. Life breaks every once, it's bully, but some become stronger in the broken places. Once you feel lost, exhausted, or defeated, you're not failing, you're transforming. A sword is forged in fire. Diamonds are created under pressure. And human strength, it's born from suffering, not comfort, not ease, not perfection. Suffering is the doorway. Pain is the teacher. Silence is the guide. When you feel like you're falling behind, you'll look around and feel like everyone else is moving forward, getting jobs, getting love. In here, building lives is poer is a while, and you're still trying to survive the day. But hear this, you're not behind. You're in preparation. The universe is not punishing you. It's shaping you. Life has a strange habit. When it wants to give you more, it takes away first. It strips you, empties you, pushes you to the edge, and only then does it begin rebuilding you into something greater. When you feel like you're falling behind, you'll look around and feel like everyone else is moving forward. Getting jobs, getting love, building lives, and you're still trying to survive the day. But hear this, you're not behind. You're in preparation. The universe is not punishing you. It's shaping you. Life has a strange habit. When it wants to give you more, it takes away first. It strips you, empties you, pushes you to the edge, and only then does it begin rebuilding you into something greater. The power of stillness. Most people fear stillness. They think that if nothing is happening, their life is wasting away. But the Stoics believed the opposite. Stillness is not inactivity. It's recalibration. It's the moment where your old self is dying and your new self is forming quietly beneath the surface. You're not stuck, you're growing roots. A tree grows underground before it grows above it, so do you. The moment you rise, and then comes the turning point. The day you wake up and something inside you whispers, "Not today, not anymore." The day your heart becomes heavier than your fears. The day you choose strength over excuses. The day you realize that everything you went through was preparing you for this moment of clarity. You stop begging for things to be easier. You start wishing to become stronger. You stop waiting for someone to save you. You stand up and save yourself. You stop blaming life. You start building life. And in that moment, you rise. Not loudly, not dramatically, but silently, powerfully, like a storm gathering strength. What the pain gave you, every heartbreak, every betrayal, every loneliness, every failure, It all gave you something: wisdom, depth, confidence, resilience, self respect, strength of character. People fear pain, but pain is the sculptor, and you are the masterpiece. The Stoic truth you must carry. You can't control everything. You can't control people. You can't control outcomes. You can't control time. But you can always control your response, your discipline, your focus, your actions, your attitude. This is where true power lives, not in external success, not in money or followers or validation. Power lives inside you, in the space between what happens and how you choose to respond. That space is your freedom. The closing message. So if you're hurting, if you're tired, if you're questioning your worth, if you're lost, remember this: you're not at the end of your story, you're at the turning point. Storms don't come to destroy you, they come to clear your path. Life isn't breaking you, life is rebuilding you, and the version of you that is coming, Ekatsam, is stronger than anything you've ever been. Outro. Final punchline. One day you'll look back at the nights you thought you wouldn't survive, and you'll smile softly and say, "That was the moment I became who I was meant to be." Was a dansa var karman cesaru halsois.